You go to sleep, everything looks normal. You wake up, the market already moved. Big move, clean move, and you missed all of it. This isn't bad timing. Something has changed in Forex. It didn't used to feel like this. Moves were more balanced. Sessions had rhythm. London moved. New York confirmed. Now, the biggest moves are happening when you're not even watching. Asia session. Late New York, in between sessions. And when you come back, it feels like the trade is already gone. This isn't random. There's a shift in how liquidity is flowing globally. And if you don't see it, you'll keep chasing moves that already happened. First, liquidity is thinner overnight. When fewer participants are active, it takes less volume to move price. So when orders hit, price moves faster, cleaner, more aggressive. That's why overnight moves feel bigger. Not because there's more activity, but because there's less resistance. Second, positioning happens before major sessions now. Big players aren't waiting for London opens anymore. They're positioning earlier, quietly. So by the time London or New York opens, the move is already in motion. And you're waiting for confirmation, which means you're entering after the expansion already happened. Third, news and uncertainty don't wait for sessions. Global events don't follow trading hours. Decisions, statements, reactions. They hit when they hit. And when they do, price reacts immediately. Even if liquidity is thin, that creates sharp overnight moves that don't get retested later. They just continue or stall. Here's what it looks like. You mark your levels. You wait for London, but overnight, price already breaks structure, moves 30 to 50 pips. Now London opens, and price just ranges. You enter late, and nothing happens. Or worse, it reverses, because the real move already happened. Here's what most traders don't realize. You're not missing moves. You're watching the wrong timing. The market didn't slow down. It shifted earlier. So if you're only active during traditional sessions, you're consistently late to the move. And when you enter, you're trading what's left of it. So here's what to take from this. Stop assuming the best moves happen during your session. Start tracking what happens before you show up. Look at overnight structure. Where did price move from? How aggressive was it? Because that tells you everything about what's likely to happen next. If you've been waking up to missed moves, comment overnight. I want to see how many of you are dealing with this shift. Next video, I'll show you how to position around these overnight moves without chasing them. Subscribe if you want the real side of Forex.